Hey guys, it's Anna from Analogy, and today I'm going to show you how you can tune out distraction using the FOCI device. So, when should you do your focus biofeedback training? Well, if you're feeling distracted or distractible, you need to do the training. This can feel like your attention is being drawn to too many things at once instead of the task you intend to focus on, or if your thoughts are feeling a little bit foggy. You can also do the biofeedback training when you're in a deep work session but you're struggling to form focus streaks. You don't need to necessarily form a distracted streak to show you that you're distracted, but if you can't form any focus streaks, you would benefit from the biofeedback training. The third example of a great indicator to show you that you need to do focus biofeedback training is in the new update of the app, where you can see that you have a risk of the distractibility loop. So the app will actually warn you if you are at risk for being distracted or being distractible, and you can mitigate that by doing the focus biofeedback training. When you do the focus biofeedback training, you need to learn a special breathing technique. This encourages your brain to get into a focus mode, because when you naturally enter this mode, your breathing replicates this pattern as well. To help you along with the rhythm of this, you can turn on the metronome when you do your training. These little beats will help you stay on track with how you're supposed to breathe. The biofeedback training gives you real-time feedback on how your focus is doing and how it's improving. You can see this from the metrics on the screen in the form of a percentage number, and also from the little bubble thermometer type thing. Additionally, there's also the raindrops that will go away the more focused you get, and the rain sounds, which will get quieter as you get more into a focused state. Once you've completed the biofeedback training, if you were feeling distractible before, you can now label the source of your distraction. This may be in the form of internal thoughts, stress for an upcoming exam, sounds from outside. If you have a roommate, they may be doing something that may be disturbing you. It can be anything, but if you label it, it kind of helps it go away and stop being in your head. I personally like to write down the source of my distraction, and if it's something I can deal with, like notifications on my phone, I turn them off. Then, once you've completed all of this, you are ready to start a deep work session or carry on with whatever you were doing. If you need a reminder on how to use this, you can always come back to this video, and if you would like more tips, you can follow me on Instagram and follow the FOCI page on Instagram too. I hope to see you soon, and I hope you enjoy using the device.